You clicked on this video because you are looking for side hustles that actually work here in 2026. We're not going over any get rich quick schemes. We are going over 5 side hustles that, true to the title of this video, actually work here in 2026. Let's not waste any time. We'll go ahead and get right into it. The first on the list is content creation. This is my number one personal favorite. It's what I'm doing right now with YouTube. So whether it is YouTube or Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, any number of other things, you create content, you have the ability to get monetized by people clicking on your content and watching it. As you'll see here in a second, this can unlock several different opportunities to earn money as well.
Content creators often build multiple income streams over time. Advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products, memberships, the list goes on and on. The audience becomes the foundation that supports all of those opportunities.
Next up is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is also one of my favorites. Really, all 5 of these are, but in terms of being able to sort of leverage content creation to then use affiliate marketing, if you're a successful content creator and you have a dedicated audience and get lots of views, then you're going to be able to promote these products. And when your clientele goes and clicks on the links and purchases via your link, you're going to earn a small commission from that sale. So for example, if you're doing a book review and you're talking about your top lessons that you've learned from that book, you can drop a link to go purchase that book in your content. And then if your viewers then click on that link and purchase the book, you earn a small commission from that sale. So you can kind of see how it's a little bit harder if you don't have an audience to be successful with affiliate marketing. So this is why I like content creation and then building on that affiliate marketing.
The key to affiliate marketing is trust. People aren't looking for endless sales pitches. They're looking for honest recommendations that help them solve a problem. Whether it's through YouTube, a blog, or social media, helpful content can continue generating traffic long after it's published.
Next up is freelancing. And if you're looking for the fastest way possible to put some extra money in your pocket, this is typically going to be it. Think about skills that you might have, like writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, really any number of things that you can monetize.
The biggest advantage of freelancing is speed. You can often start earning much sooner than with other side hustles because you're selling a service instead of building an audience. As your experience grows, you can often increase your rates and become more selective about the clients you work with.
The next side hustle is selling digital products. Think about an ebook or a budgeting spreadsheet. You can really get creative with this one. And the cool thing about it is you don't have to have any kind of an inventory or anything that you're really shipping out. With this being online, it makes the process a whole lot easier on you. And you can really sell the things that you create long into the future and get some of that recurring revenue.
Digital products can include budget templates, workout plans, study guides, business templates, printable planners, ebooks. The upfront work is creating something valuable, but once it's finished, you can continue selling it repeatedly.
Lastly is online tutoring or coaching. If you have some kind of a skill that other people want to learn, you have the ability to then teach them online for money. And I've said this before, I'll say it again. The really cool thing about this is you don't even have to be a complete master in what it is you're going over. You really just have to know more than the person that you're teaching to be able to have success with this.
Whether it's math, music, fitness, marketing, or another skill, online education continues to grow. People are willing to invest in learning from someone who can help them achieve results faster.
Now let's talk about some common pitfalls with really any of these side hustles, but especially some of the ones that take a little bit more time to build, like content creation or affiliate marketing, you don't want to give up too early. If you're going to go into a side hustle, you really want to be all in and have a set amount of time, call it 3 months, 6 months, a year, that you give yourself to be consistent with your work. And if at the end of that time you still aren't seeing results, then maybe you can pivot. But it's not really fair to say, I'm going to do this for 2 weeks, and if it doesn't work, or if I get bored, then I was a failure. Sure, burnout can happen, but you really want to have some kind of a plan to be consistent with these side hustles, because that's really your chance to see success, is being consistent with them. Going off of that, you don't want to hop around. You really want to try to find one or at most two side hustles that you're really interested in and stick with those, because it's going to take a lot to be able to have success with these side hustles. And so you really want to focus all of your time and attention on one or maybe two. And then if those take off and you're having success and have the opportunity to sort of branch off from there, then that would be a good idea. But I wouldn't recommend trying to do all five of these at once, because you will burn out and you're not going to give each individual one the time that it needs to really take off.
Almost every successful side hustle requires patience. The people who win aren't usually the ones chasing the newest trend. They're the ones who consistently improve one business over months or even years.
Now, in terms of choosing the right side hustle, you're going to want to ask yourself a few questions. Number one is, what skills do you have? What makes you passionate, right? What are you going to stick with? Because the reality of the situation is, if it's something that you don't enjoy and you're just trying to do it for money, you're a lot less likely to stick with it and have success with it. You really want to focus on skills that you have, where you can leverage those skills, and then being consistent with that particular side hustle. Obviously, some of these have a little bit more upside potential than others, if you will, in terms of leveraging. If you're doing online coaching or tutoring, you're still in a sense kind of trading your time for money. Whereas if you do content creation and affiliate marketing or promote digital products, those can continue to sell long into the future, after you have first created them. So to recap, the best side hustles that actually work in 2026 are content creation, affiliate marketing, freelancing, digital products, and then online coaching or tutoring. I am curious which of these 5 side hustles that you tend to gravitate towards the most. Is there one or maybe multiple that you are really thinking about getting into now? Let me know down in the comments. If there's any other side hustles that weren't on this list that you'd like to see covered, let me know as well. I really appreciate you. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, you are a rock star. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos going over the latest side hustles and how to have success with them. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.